Ernie Konnyu just won't go away. Now he's on Twitter. Ernie Konnyu is still, in this case, tweeting his support for Ro Khanna, who's running against Mike Honda for his congressional seat. This is the guy. That's Ro Khanna right there. He has not effectively denounced Ernie Konnyu or told him to go away because as of October 29th here, he's still tweeting. Now, what am I talking about? Ro Khanna has got to be anti-gay because otherwise, why support a man who does this sort of thing? Basically, had a meltdown right here in a Facebook fight with Jim Khanna, and Khanna is the head of the San Jose Silicon Valley Chamber of Commerce PAC, who supported Campbell Mayor Evan Lowe in his state assembly race against former Saratoga Mayor Chuck Page. And then commenting on a post by fellow Republican and former Chamber CEO Jim Khanna, Konnyu, who was voted out of office after he inappropriately commented on a staffer's breast size, called it sick that the PAC would support a liberal so left that he wants to change the law to allow blood donations by gays. Boy, Ro Khanna is supported by this guy who's anti-gay. So that's got to mean that Ro Khanna himself, that's right, Ro Khanna himself is anti-gay. Don't vote for Ro Khanna. Forget it. Vote for Mike Honda instead.